Hello, welcome to Wardy's Work. Just a quick one today. If you watched my previous video on green lining, went out in the Discovery 3, did a bit of green lining down Strata, Florida. It can get quite scratchy in places, especially on the entry. Done a little bit of damage to the paintwork scratch wise, just fine scratches, some a little bit deeper, but I just want to show you what I used to get them off myself. Don't know if you'd be able to pick these well up on the camera, but we'll have a look. Yeah, you can see them there, look. Tons and tons of fine scratches there. And this has been washed. As you can see, it has got some water moisture on there, but you can see all the scratches on there are very visible in the sunlight. Now this is a door that I've just polished quickly. 2 minutes. With this stuff. That's G3 professional scratch remover you can buy from Harvard's. This is well used. I've nearly out of the entire tub. But this stuff's brilliant at getting the little scratches out when you go green lining. Done it on my dad's car, a few others. All you do is apply it to a pad, spray the panel down with a bit of water, spray the pad with a bit of water, and then just work it in. So I'll show you a bit. Here, just put a bit on the pad there. And we'll give the pad a little blast of water. And the panel, a little spray. And get our pad. We'll just swirl it round on there. And all you do with this stuff is circular motions. Keep going. And keep it wet as well. Just up the side of the door there because it's got a fire as well. So when it starts to dry off and become harder to move, just give it another spray over with just water. And then keep going. And you get to the point where it starts to disappear. When that happens, just rub it off with a clean, dry cloth. I'll keep going with this, and then I'll come back and show you the results. As you can see there, it's starting to dry up, so we'll just wipe it off with the microfiber cloth. Comes off really, really easily. It will also work for deeper scratches. I've got some big scratches out with this before. See already. That. Let's get rid of all of them. There you go. All done. And this part's not been done. Time myself. That was 2 minutes of polishing on that one panel. Bit of elbow grease, so we'll get these out of here as well, but that's the stuff that I use. G3 professional, and because I haven't done this one yet either, a lot of scratches on there, but it'll get them out, to get that one out and that out quite easily. So like and subscribe. It will do your trim as well, so that black trim there, it will get that out, and also that going up there. So I'll do that a bit quickly. I need a little bit on there. Bit of spray. On there. Sorry about the quality of this. Just go on down with it. take all them fine scratches off. You don't need much on there. There we go. Just 2 seconds of polishing and most of that's safe. We could get every single fine scratch out of that if we went at it for a minute. Oh, a million times better. I'll do that with a bit of wax, get it nice polished. But yeah, there you go.